G'day guys, John from Ruralco Water with your weekly Southern Basin market update for the 30th of April. Well, we saw some widespread rain throughout the Southern Basin this last week, and some areas got a bit more than others, and that's been a welcome relief post-harvest season for the horticulture guys and coming into winter cropping for broadacre guys. But we still see those storages in the Southern Basin continue to be drawn down, currently at 51% from 77% this time last year. But MDBA are, with all that rain that's happened in Queensland, anticipating 800 to 1,000 gig to arrive in Menindee. And what this will do is give the states and MDBA some security as they look at next year's allocations, especially for general in New South Wales, Murray, and high reliability in Victoria. Just speaking of storages, Hume is currently at 22% compared to 61% this time last year. Eildon is at 61% compared to 91%. Dartmouth at 77% compared to 94%. Burrinjuck is now at 43 compared to 70, and Blowering's at 32 compared to 67. So there is a significant drop in all those storages, but good news is Dartmouth still has a fair bit in it. Well, demand in the temporary market has remained pretty strong throughout the last week, although since that rain on the weekend, we have seen a little slow in demand, just as guys are able to use that rain this week to savour water throughout this week. And Interstate Trade from New South Wales to Vic and SA closes today. And we'll just see what influence that has on the market over the next few days with that water from New South Wales being removed from the Victorian market. Prices in New South Wales in the Murray and the Murrumbidgee at the moment are in that $235 to $240 a meg for allocation. In below choke in 7 and SA, there's mixed reports around that rainfall. There was quite a lot from Robinvale to Swan Hill, but not much downstream from Robinvale, not as much. We're still seeing prices in Zone 7 and SA at $245 to $250. In the Goulburn, there were some good reports of rain, and that's had a softening effect on the market this week, with temporary allocation currently trading at about that 110 to 115 mark. And prices above the choke in New South Wales and in Zone 6 in Victoria, we're seeing that on the market at around 125 with some buyers at 120. Allocation updates and outlooks, because it's that time of the year when we're just wondering what's going to happen. So New South Wales Murrumbidgee allocation, there'll be an announcement tomorrow, whether they get any more or not on general, and a bit of an outlook for the rest of the year. And further indicative outlooks for Victoria and New South Wales will be released on the 15th of May, looking forward to next year and available allocation. Well, with the end of season fast approaching, lots of clients, lots of buyers are thinking about forwards and how to secure water into next year, especially with storages coming down and there being some interest about what might happen next year around allocation. And we're seeing large volumes of inquiries around this and lots of trades getting done. What we're seeing is that in the Murrumbidgee and the Murray, pricing is around that $300 a meg for forwards in the Murray and a little bit less there in the Murrumbidgee. Carryover also, there's plenty of carryover opportunities available at the moment. Lots of interest in this space as well, although the allocation price has just slowed down the interest in that a little bit. On high space in Victoria, that's about $10 to $12 a meg for carryover. Vic Zone 7 low is about $90 a meg. Goulburn low is $40 to $50 a meg. Zone 6 low is $45 to $50 a meg. In the Bidgee, we're seeing general security allocation, carryover space at around $90 a meg. And in Zone 10 and MIL, that's around $65 a meg. Permanent, the market has been pretty steady over the last week with some trades happening. Vic Zone 7 high is about $69.50 to $72.50. Lows around $1,900 to $2,200. SA Murray, that's seen some activity in the last few weeks and that's pushed that price up a bit more, but that's $7,200 to $7,350. And Goulburn high is around $3,500 to $3,600 a meg. Thanks and have a great week. As always, if you need the latest information, contact your local Ruralco water broker. See ya.